Your customer hasn't replied in 23 hours. Their issue is half resolved, and now you can't send a single follow-up message. WhatsApp's 24-hour rule just locked you out. The only key that opens that door is an approved message template. And this guide will show you exactly how to get one. WhatsApp gives you a 24-hour window from the customer's last message to reply however you want. Once that window closes, free-form messages fail silently. Only pre-approved templates can restart the conversation. The good news: when a customer replies to your template, the clock resets immediately. Every template must belong to one of three categories: authentication for verification codes, utility for order updates and reminders, or marketing for promotions. Authentication and utility templates typically approve in minutes. Marketing can take up to 24 hours, and picking the wrong category is the fastest way to get rejected. Before you can create a single template, you need a verified Meta Business Manager, a connected WhatsApp business account, and at least Zendesk Suite Professional for access to the Sunshine Conversations API. Without Meta verification, you're limited to just 250 templates and no outbound messaging. Head to Admin Center, then Channels, then Messaging and Social, and open WhatsApp Business API. From there, click Message Templates to see your full template library and manage submissions. If the option isn't visible, confirm your Zendesk plan includes Sunshine Conversations and that your WhatsApp channel is connected. Templates have 4 components: an optional header for text or media, a required body of up to 1,024 characters, an optional footer for opt-out instructions, and optional buttons for quick replies or calls to action. Variables like ~1 pull live data directly from Zendesk fields, customer names, order numbers, delivery dates. When choosing a category, be honest about your content. If your message informs, it's utility. If it promotes, it's marketing. Mismatching categories is the single most common rejection reason, and Meta will either reject or reassign your template, adding hours of delay to your workflow. Once built, submit directly through Zendesk's integrated interface or via Meta Business Manager. Utility and authentication templates typically come back approved within minutes. Marketing templates may take up to 24 hours. You can track status in Zendesk Admin Center or Meta's WhatsApp Manager in real time. Templates move through 5 possible states: in review while Meta checks them, approved when they're live, rejected if there's an issue to fix, active high quality when customer feedback is strong, and paused when too many recipients have blocked or reported the message. Quality ratings track block rates and spam reports, so monitor them regularly. The most fixable rejection causes are category mismatch, promotional language in a utility template, missing opt-out text in marketing templates, incorrect variable formatting, and shortened or suspicious URLs. Never resubmit the same rejected template. Always create a new one with a different name that directly addresses the rejection reason. Here's something most teams don't anticipate. A successful outbound campaign floods your inbox with inbound replies. That shipping notification generates delivery questions. That appointment reminder triggers reschedule requests. Easel AI connects to Zendesk in one click, reads every incoming WhatsApp reply, drafts responses from your knowledge base, and routes complex issues to your team automatically. Write templates that describe exactly what's happening. Your order has shipped, always beats, great news. Use variables to personalize with names, order numbers, and dates. Add opt-out language to every marketing template and only send to customers who have explicitly opted in. Templates are living assets, so review quality scores regularly and rebuild when needed. Getting templates approved is just the first step. The real challenge is handling everything that comes back. Easel AI takes care of the inbound replies from your WhatsApp campaigns automatically. No extra headcount needed. Try it free for 7 days at easel.ai.